Shlama Amughon, or peace be with you. Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran. Hadab Shamba means the first day. Zauma means fasting. Ramba means great. So, Sauma Ramba means the great fast. Rase Kandisi means holy mysteries, which is the ancient name of the holy Kurbana. Let us recall some parts of the explanation of the word from the Rase Kandisi service on the first Hadab Shamba of Zauma Ramba. The Sauma Ramba, that is the great fast, is a preparation for the celebration of the resurrection. There is no celebration for the Nasrayas without Sauma or fasting. We do not see Zauma apart from the resurrection. Suffering has meaning only if we endure it while fixing our gaze on the risen Messiah. Sauma is a preparation to receive the commandments of Allah or the Most Supreme. A key aspect of the Sauma is the proclamation of the divine mysteries. Sauma is a preparation to receive the risen Messiah. Maria means the Lord. Sauma is to abide with the Maria. If we do our Sauma for selfish gains, it becomes idolatry. A joyful countenance must naturally result from Sauma, otherwise it is mere pretense. Aim of the Sauma is to put on the new man. Do we test Allah for selfish gains? In Sauma, Malachas come to assist us. Ramsha means evening. The day begins with Ramsha. During Sauma, we follow the practice of eating only one meal a day, but there is freedom in this. The highest form of Sauma or fasting is to participate in the Rase Kandise. Since the Holy Kurbana is the fullness of Sauma or fasting, there is no Sauma after the Kurbana. The Sauma Ramba is a special journey to embrace the risen Messiah. As we draw closer to Allah through Sauma, we naturally detach from unnecessary things. At the beginning or during the Sauma, we do not have external signs to show that we are having Sauma. Sauma is done in secret. The true mark of Sauma is sharing in the model of the sharing of risen Esau in Rase Kandise service. Esau Messiah also taught us to avoid external displays of Sauma. For further explanations, listen to the explanation of the word by the service of Marsli Vadera. Welcome to Masliva Dera, the service home of the early Slihaik Eta O Church of the Nasrayas. Zauma Ramba, Marsliva Dera Code 684. Shlama Amuhon.